Hello, in this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to utilize the image preview feature within the advanced file upload field in bit form. Begin by navigating to the advanced file upload field settings. Enable the image preview option. Once activated, proceed to upload an image. You will then be able to view a preview of the uploaded image. You have the option to configure both the minimum and maximum height for the image preview. Additionally, you can set the preview height as needed. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.